This video is brought to you by Squarespace. Whether you need a website, domain, or an online shop, make it with Squarespace. Welcome to the official Sam Sheffer Setup Tour 2018. This is my workstation. This is where all of the magic happens. This is where I edit my videos and where I stream on Twitch. Let's jump right in. The first thing I want to talk about is my main gear PC. I made a whole video about my custom rig that you can find in the description, but that powerful beast is the core of my setup. This thing is a diesel machine, and it is sexy. I recently procured a motorized standing desk by a company called Jarvis. The desk is 30 inches deep by 60 inches wide and can drop as low as 27 inches and raise up to 46 inches. Perfect for any sitting or standing scenario. There are two tactile buttons on the front of the desk that make it go up or down. I highly recommend one of these. If you've been paying attention to my Twitch streams, you'll notice that I got some new gear to beef things up. I'm testing a couple of new pieces of hardware for my friend Colin. Firstly, I'm now rocking Sennheiser HD 280 Pro headphones. There is super comfortable padding on these headphones, and they sound great, but they're definitely not gaming headphones. And they're connected to an Apollo Twin Mark I. All of my audio is routed through there now. It's a mixer that allows me to easily fine-tune the levels of headphones, desktop audio, etc. It converts analog signal to digital signal and makes dealing with all sorts of audio inputs less cumbersome. I'm now using a Shure SM7B for clean, crisp audio. I'm recording this with that microphone. Do I sound crispy or what? The microphone is mounted to a Rode PSA-1. It's an adjustable boom arm contraption that you've probably seen people use to record podcasts or maybe streamers use to hold their mics. It's solid. My desktop speakers that I use to blast music are Klipsch Pro Media 2.1. My older brother Mike got me these as a studio warming gift, and I absolutely love them. They sound better than any of those smart speakers and certainly get way louder. A good investment if you're looking for the best bang for your buck in the speakers department. The keyboard I use is the Corsair K95 RGB Platinum. It's a mechanical keyboard, so it makes those loud clacking sounds and annoys some people, but personally, I like it. It reminds me of a typewriter. My mouse is also Corsair, the M65 RGB Pro. It's wired, like my keyboard, and very comfortable to game with. It's ergonomic and has weights on the bottom that you can fine-tune. I'm probably going to upgrade this, but my Mousepad is one of those giant ones by SteelSeries. I want something that covers my whole desk. That's the reason I'm upgrading. But these are a must for any gamer. And you may be wondering why I have a DSLR mounted to a tripod on my desk. Well, that's a Canon 80D and a Mi Photo Classic. I use this combo as my webcam for streams. Thumbs up for that crispy 1080-60 broadcast. And now the monitors. On the left, I've got a 27-inch Acer S271HL. It's standard 1080-60. I got this a while ago, and it had been doing its job up until I got the main gear. Then I copped this Dell 24-inch 2560 by 1440 165Hz monitor with G-Sync. So when I game, things look ultra smooth. 120Hz and higher monitors are game-changing. Ultra smooth. If you've been on the fence about upgrading your screens, you cannot go wrong with a high refresh rate monitor. I think next on the list for me is a 4K monitor with at least 120Hz refresh, but one day at a time. So that's my setup. Nice and clean, and everything is just ready to go. Thank you again to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. By now you're probably familiar with Squarespace, but I want to tell you why Squarespace is so great. I've been using Squarespace for years. I designed my own website that's super clean and minimalist, samsheffer.com. You should check it out. There's a number of reasons you should be using Squarespace too. They've got beautiful designer templates. They've got an all-in-one platform. There's nothing to ever upgrade, patch, or install. They've got award-winning 24/7 customer support. And you can easily transfer a third-party domain right into Squarespace. So all of your billing and information will be in one place. And if you're looking to launch an online store, do it with Squarespace. You can easily manage your products, your orders, your inventory, etc. So go to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/Sam Sheffer for 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the outro for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I apologize about the audio issues. I am working through them. I think coming up, I'm going to make a video about how I stream on Twitch with OBS and the green screen and the cam link, etc. So let me know in the comments if you're interested in seeing that video. That's it from me for now. I will catch y'all in the next one.